All right, guys, I'm super stoked to announce that I installed my downpipe from Fabspeed on my 2018 BMW M2 LCI in Long Beach Blue Metallic. The car now has the power that I wanted from the factory. The downpipe is supposed to give me 21 wheel horsepower to the car, as well as 36 torque according to Fabspeed. I definitely feel that power. I mean, I'm probably pushing about 390 horsepower at the crank, and the car already had about close to 400 pounds of torque before the downpipe. Now I'm easily in the low 400s torque wise. The car just is way more complete now. The exhaust sound is so much better. It also makes some really great pop noises. When you get it to about 4,500 RPMs, it'll actually do a gunshot while driving, which I'll try to get on video in a little bit. I'm getting addicted to the power. I kind of want to keep on upgrading it as I go on. Maybe get a chip soon in the near future. One thing I definitely want to get is the Dynon carbon fiber intake, cold air intake. That's definitely on my wish list right now, but stay tuned for the modifications I got coming up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So right here, guys, is the old downpipe. Not sure exactly what material it was made of, but the new one is made of stainless steel. It's a lot lighter. This is pretty heavy. I would say it saves a couple pounds. Just a nice higher quality material with the Fabspeed downpipe, and a much better sound, of course, but you can see inside. It's got the 200 cell, make it emissions friendly and everything like that, I think. I know someone's going to probably say in the comments that I'm wrong about that, but whatever. That's what it's for. That's what the comment section's for. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of my Fabspeed downpipe that I just installed on the BMW M2. I plan on doing some more modifications as the summer goes on. Like I said before, intake, possibly a tune. Just have to find a good piggyback tune, maybe from Burger Motorsports. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and we'll make another video soon. Thanks and have a good one.